So welcome to our new video. In this video I will talk about a secret website called cracking.org. Okay, I can provide this link on my description because this is a private link and this type of website can be promoted on YouTube. Okay, so I can give the link of the website in description. Okay, so what we'll do, this secret website have any many new features and they are from online for a long time. And if I check on similar web, you can see the US rank is very high and monthly visits are more than 240 and 64.70k. This means thousands, k means thousands. And you can see the bounce rate 29%. Okay, so what we'll do with this website, so we have to go on CPA grip. We will not promote our any offer at here. Okay, so we have to use this website. So now log into our account. I am using this temporary account for you guys because when I show a real account, people try to hack this accounts. But I don't want to share my original CPA grip account. This is a temporary account. Now go on my offer section, then choice United States. Now there is some offer called people gift card. Okay, suppose I want to choose this offer or a new offer has been added. This is the offer, so copy this link. Now at there you have to create an account, so click on login, then fill your email address and give the captcha, then they will send you a verification like this. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to go on the section of this cracking.org. Okay, then they will it will show like this, then give a username and other things, then complete your registration. Okay, so after going on CP gift, there is a PayPal gift card offer. Now how do you have to do that? Come on here, now search for PayPal gift card. Okay, then search it. Now you can see there is a database. I need PayPal gift card leads. There is a offer, and you can see there is also a targeted leads. So what do we have to do? That click on the database. After clicking on database, we have to click on reply or go on the downside or post a reply. Write reply, I need PayPal gift card lead. Okay, then post this reply. Okay, okay, now reply it again. So now what you have to do, that you have to come on the first option of comments, then come here and the relief content. Now click on this pop out option. Now it will open Google Drive. Okay, now we have to download this email box. Okay, now click on this download, then it will start downloading the file. This is a so large file, so it's taking some time because there is a big number of email list. You can see my downloading has been started. Okay, that's enough for me. Now go on any email marketing software like Mailchimp free. So now get the free plan of this Mailchimp, or you can also use gmail.com. You can use gmail.com for send 500 emails uh, each people, if is 500 people, so you can send 500 for free. And also Mailchimp is 500 contacts per month. Okay, and that's free. And I have also make a video about how you can send unlimited emails for free with a secret website. I will provide this website on the card. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Hope you have liked the video, and if you like this video then subscribe to our channel and subscribe again.